Earth, a planet molded over billions of years by geological changes and shifting climates, and the rise and fall of countless species. Today we stand at the cusp of the next great chapter. But what will Earth look like a million years from now? The continents as we know them will no longer exist in their current form. The process of plate tectonics constantly shifting beneath our feet will have merged continents or torn new ones apart. Imagine a supercontinent, Pangaea Proxima, where Europe collides with Africa and the Americas are drawn closer to Asia. New mountain ranges rise from the collision, while old ones erode into ancient plains. Our familiar coastlines will vanish, and new oceans will appear where land once stood. The Earth's surface will be unrecognizable, a testament to the relentless force of time. Climate change has been a defining force for millions of years. A million years from now, Earth's climate may undergo dramatic swings. Ice ages followed by periods of extreme heat. Forests will retreat, deserts will expand, and ecosystems will adapt to new conditions. As Earth's atmosphere changes, so too will life. Species will evolve, adapt, or disappear, leaving room for new life forms to emerge. Will humanity be among them? Or will we evolve into something unrecognizable by today's standards? In a million years, evolution will continue its unstoppable march. The plants and animals we know today will have given rise to new forms of life, adapted to the changing environment. Perhaps the creatures of the future will be as alien to us as the dinosaurs once were to early mammals. From deep ocean dwellers to the sky, life will evolve in extraordinary ways, finding niches in every corner of the planet. But what about humanity? If we endure for another million years, will we still inhabit this Earth? Our species, driven by curiosity and innovation, may have already spread to other planets, but Earth will remain our home, perhaps no longer in the form of sprawling cities, but in harmony with nature. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and our understanding of the universe could redefine what it means to be human. We may transcend our biological limitations, altering our evolution by choice. Will we even recognize ourselves a million years from now? A million years from now, Earth will be both familiar and foreign. A planet shaped by forces beyond our control, but also by our actions. The question remains, what legacy will we leave behind? Will we be stewards of a thriving, balanced world, or a distant memory of what once was? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Earth will continue evolving, transforming, and adapting as it always has. 1 million years from now, Earth will still be here. Different yet enduring, a planet filled with life, wonder, and endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe and share to explore more wonders with us.